YouTube channel into a business, even if you have $0 or $20 in your pocket. Firstly, step 1 is to find something that you're passionate about and build your YouTube channel around it. Whether it's gaming, fitness, or vlogging, select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. While there are many existing YouTube ideas, take inspiration from other creators' content without copying them directly. So model what they are doing. Step 2 is very important. Step 2 is to script your videos. Create a script for your videos. Model your content after successful videos in your niche and get ideas from them. Develop your unique approach and style while maintaining authenticity. Remember, the most important thing is to script and get ideas so that you don't pause during your video. You want to keep the audience on their toes all the time. So step 3 is to acquire video editing software. This is very important for high quality videos, and acquire video editing software that you know about, or if you're new, you can download any software, for example like Filmora, Adobe Premiere Pro, or any other editing tool of your choice. This will allow you to create quality videos. You will need to always keep in mind that if you're new to video editing, it will take time to learn and improve on your skills. You just have to keep on practicing. So step 4 is your voiceovers. This is where you create your audio for your video. So you need to be in a quiet environment. Remember, there need to be no background noises that disturbs your video, and be confident always when recording your videos. Good audio is very important for a video. It's what makes the video. If the audio is bad, your subscribers or viewers will basically click off your video because they won't hear what you're saying. Think you the viewer and you watch a video and you can't hear anything in the video. What will you do? You'll click off the video, right? So be clear and confident in your video. And another part, so I spoke about video editing now, but step 5 is going into video editing a little more in detail. So like I said, you can choose any software like Filmora, Adobe Premiere Pro, there's few others, but it's very challenging to edit videos. I'm not going to lie to you. It can take you hours to learn how to edit videos, and even people who know how to edit videos at least edit for like 4 to 6 hours their videos. So you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on editing courses. You can just go on YouTube and learn the skills for free, and the skill takes time and practice and patience. So remember, video editing skills takes time. You just need to keep on practicing and keep on making videos. Step 6 is to create eye-catching thumbnails. Designing attractive thumbnails is very important for attracting viewers. While it may take time to master the skill, keep on experimenting and refining your thumbnail creation process. If you look at some of the YouTubers, like for example Mr. Beast and few YouTubers, their thumbnails are bright, and people love bright colors, and that's what makes people click on a video and watch the video, the click-through rate basically, and this will allow people to click on your video so they can watch your video. So good quality thumbnail and good quality video go together. Step 7 is basically, this is when you're done with your video, your audio, and your video is complete from starting to end. Now you have to go to YouTube, upload your video. You have to use SEO. You can use vidIQ for this, or TubeBuddy. It's YouTube extensions that help you find videos or video ideas that are ranking and different keywords and stuff. So you'll use this tool to make your videos rank either on the top or bottom. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys learned something in this video and you guys going to apply it.